Hello everyone, welcome to Ekeeda platform, and this is Ravindra Jangid here, your electrical faculty, and in this video I'm going to talk about the numerical number 1, the magnitude of harmonics. So we will start with the reading of this numerical. We have discussed already these formulas related with this numerical. So please go through those numericals also, because that is important to understand and know for solving these questions. So now we will start with question number 1. It is saying that in the AC system, we are having the AC system and it is having the voltage. It is asking for the voltage on which side? On the rectifier side. And it is of 220 kilovolt. So estimate the sixth harmonic voltage. What voltage we have to know? That is the sixth harmonic voltage for the 6 pulse converter. That is, we have to find these two cases. The first case is saying the alpha is equal to 0 and the mu is equal to 0. Second is saying alpha is equal to pi by 2 and the mu is equal to 0. We have already discussed these formulas in the harmonics of DC side, harmonics on the DC side. And that topic we have already discussed. Please go through that topic and you will come to know these formulas. Memorize those formulas, because these are important to understand and understand to know as per your academics exams. Now we will go for the solution. Now we are taking the case number 1, that is the alpha is equal to 0 and the mu is equal to 0. So in both the two cases we are having the different formulas, and these were derived from your generalized equations of the harmonics. Now we will use the case number 1, and what will be its formula? And its formula is going to be root 2 upon h square into Vd naught. So if I talk about this, then it is having the AC system voltage between the two phase, and that is the VSL, that is the AC system voltage, that is the 220 kilovolt. Now you have to find Vd naught, that is the no load voltage on the DC side, or you can say no load condition DC voltage. That is the Vd naught 1.35 into VSL. Yes or no? So just put the value of the VSL. After putting this value on the VSL, you are going to get the 220 kilovolt. Just put the values. This, when you will put this value, you are going to get 297 kilovolt. So after the solving of this problem, now you have to find the harmonic voltage, and that harmonic voltage is represented by the VHO, and that relation we have already studied. So I am just taking that formula and directly and putting this value so that we can find this value, that is root 2 upon h square, and into we will multiply with the Vd naught. So as you have to find the sixth harmonic voltage, what you have to find the sixth harmonic voltage? And that sixth harmonic voltage is root 2 upon 36, because it is given the h square. So instead of h, you are going to put the 6, and the 6 whole square is 36. That's why I have taken in the denominator. Now we will put the Vd naught. And what is the Vd naught? Vd naught is your what you have found in the above, that is a 297 kilovolt. And just put the value 297 kilovolt, you are going to get 11.66 kilovolt here. Now you can also simplify in the percentage value. So it will be whatever the harmonic is and divided by the Vd naught, that is a no load voltage on the DC side. So according to this, I can say that it is a V60 and Vd naught. This 0 is actually representing when the mu is equal to 0, because it is having the two suffixes, the first and the second. The first is representing your harmonic, order of harmonic. If it is 6, so that's why we have written the 6. And 0 is actually representing, or you can say the second term of the suffix is actually representing your you can say the overlapping angle, and that overlapping angle is actually 0. That's why I have written. And after the simplifying V60 and the Vd naught, you are going to get 0.399. So you can also convert it into your percentage value. So just multiply with the 100, you are going to get the 339, not the 39, it is going to be 3.9 percentage. Okay guys, now we will move for the case number B. What is going to be say here? So if I talk about the case number B, it is alpha is equal to pi by 2, and that is a mu is equal to 0. If it is alpha is equal to pi by 2 and the mu is equal to 0, then we are going to use this formula, which is root 2 h upon h square, and that is a root 2 upon h, because h will be higher and it's a square value, so it will be more higher, and if we subtract with a minus, then it is going to be neglected. So just put the value, as we have to find the sixth harmonic for this case, then this is the formula for this case, that is a root 2 upon h. So now what you will do, just put the values. What is the v6 upon vd naught? Put the values here, then you are going to get the root 2 upon 6, and after getting this answer and multiplying with the vd naught, you are going to 69.89 kilovolt. And what is this value? What is the value? Because this is the value of the magnitude of the harmonic, sixth harmonic voltage. So in this way you can find if it is given for the 12th harmonic, for the 11th, for the 13th, 23rd and the 25th. Likewise you can find using these formulas. So I hope this numerical you have understood properly. So tata, bye bye, and thank you.